This can void your roof warranty. When replacing your roof, one of the factors to look for is a comprehensive manufacturer's roof warranty that offers protection and peace of mind. However, that can evaporate if shoddy work or common mistakes void your warranty. Installing new shingles over the old ones. Installing new shingles over an existing or old roof or re-roofing can void your roof warranty. Some roofers prefer using this method because it's easier and much cheaper. However, this process is not recommended because it can cause future problems and significantly affect your roof's lifespan. Improper roof installation. Whether you need minor repairs or have major roofing work, hiring a certified roofing contractor is advisable. Always check their credentials and choose a roofing company certified by leading manufacturers. Antenna or satellite dish installation. Poor antenna or satellite dish installation can also affect your roofing warranty. Installing these usually requires drilling, which makes your roof prone to leaks and other roofing problems. Solar panel installation. While solar panel installation can provide several benefits, keep in mind that it can void your roof warranty. If you need a solar panel for your home or property, ask your roofer about your warranty so you know what to expect. Also, be sure to talk to your solar panel installer about their warranties. Inadequate roof ventilation. Whether you have a metal roofing system or asphalt shingles, poor or inadequate roof ventilation can lead to several roof problems. Manufacturers or roofers may void your warranty if your attic space has improper ventilation. To learn more about what else can void your roof warranty, check out our next video. Contact Affordable Roofing Systems for any roofing needs. Affordable Roofing Systems is an award-winning roofing company providing complete roofing services in the Tampa Bay area. Call 813-542-8462 or visit www.affordableroofingflorida.com for a free estimate. Affordable Roofing Systems, where experience and quality matter.